Shield is comprised of our RightTouch time zone and frequency filters and MobileTouch mobile phone filtering. RightTouch allows you to define filter rules that control both the time and frequency for outbound calls placed through the NobelBiz carrier network. The rules can be applied independent of the dialer equipment simply by changing the caller ID or ANI associated to the outbound call. Time of day rules allow you to designate specific dates and times that a call can be passed or rejected by the Shield Enhanced Carrier Service. Frequency rules assure your contact attempts conform to a specific number of attempts for a particular time frame by phone number. Time frames and attempt counts can be specified by hour, day, or month. The ANIs page allows you to easily create and manage different ANIs and assign them to various groups. You can set rules for rejection action using IVR, override IVR, and can set to filter mobile numbers. Rules are tied to caller IDs sent by the dialer associated with an outbound call. Now that we have an ANI set up, we can assign RightTouch or MobileTouch filters. Schedule rule sets control the dates and times that calls can be made or blocked based on regulatory requirements. Initially, you want to set up a blocking rule that will block all calls. Then you set up your allow rules for the times and dates that you will allow calls to be made to your customers. Select Add Deny Schedule Rules. This rule will block all calls every day for 24 hours a day. Select Add Allow Schedule Rule. I want to set up an allowance rule that covers all the states and will allow calls to be scheduled for the allowable federal calling hours. Rules are automatically applied based on the time zone of the called phone number. Select Add Allow Schedule Rule. I want to set a more specific rule based on a specific state regulation. So, for example, Utah does not allow telemarketing calls on Sunday, so I would specify Monday through Saturday, but not allow calls on Sunday. Now that I have this rule configured, I want to apply this to the ANI I set up. The system will now reject calls based on the schedule rule. Frequency rule sets control the number of attempts you can make to a particular phone number by hour, by day, week, month, state, and area code. Calls can be made or blocked based on local, state, or federal regulatory requirements. MobileTouch provides a layer of protection to assure that you are not dialing mobile phone numbers from automated dialing equipment in violation of TCPA regulations. We use both a local number portability database and the carrier-assigned databases to determine if the number is a mobile phone number. Checking the Filter Mobile option now rejects calls to mobile phone numbers on the specified ANI. For more information about this product or any other NobelBiz product, please go to nobelbiz.com